Gentlemen, welcome to Relentless Masculinity, where we take your success to infinity. And today, I will share with you three, and of course, if you're gonna stay until the end of the video, plus some bonus strategies on how to have a better hair. Stay tuned. Welcome back. Without further ado, here is strategy number one. And I want to tell you guys that I had some challenges with my hair and it's still work in progress. So I have tried 90% of all the methods out there. So I'm giving you the real meat, what really works. So strategy number one, you have to make sure that you are really hydrated. The way it works, it's very simple. We are, as you know, about 70% water, even more. What your hair follicle needs, it's two things. It needs the proper nutrition and it needs the proper elimination. So in terms of nutrition, we're gonna talk about this a little later, but in terms of elimination, in terms of cleansing all the negative chemicals, all the schmutz, all the garbage that is going through your system, all the toxins, it needs to move. Okay, so hydration is very important for that. Me personally, I recommend drinking at least 1 cup of water per hour. 1 cup of water per hour. That's the minimum. Okay, and again, disclaimer: ask your doctor or whatever, right? This is just me, a guy, a YouTuber, giving you an advice. That's what I do. At least 1 to 2 cups of water per hour. If the day is hot or you're working out very intensely, you probably need 2. Okay? So hydration is number one. It is very important to keep your system hydrated. Tip number two, you need to get the proper nutrients. Now, I've got a lot of feedback from guys. They say, listen, we don't believe in supplementation anymore because we eat good, whatever. Guys, bottom line, in order to get just the vitamin C that we really need, you need to eat about 15 oranges. Do you eat 15 oranges? I know I don't. So make sure that you're taking the proper supplementation. Now, there are 3 nutrients which are very vital and crucial for good hair. It's vitamin D, D3. I take between 20 to 50,000 units per week, vitamin D3. Vitamin A, and vitamin K2, which is crucial for the absorption of the vitamin D3. I'm gonna make a separate video on the beauty of the vitamin D3. Vitamin D3 is super essential for our body. It's according to some, not even vitamin, it's more similar to hormone. Vitamin D3 is a vital vitamin. So tip number 2 is take your vitamin A, vitamin D3, and vitamin K2, which is crucial for the absorption of the vitamin D3, right? And now for our bonus points. Bonus point number 1. Guys, don't think that if you have baldness in your family, that means that automatically you're going to be bald. Genetics were so much overplayed in the last 50 years that is crazy. Thank God we have the research today that we know that the most important, a lot more important than the genetics, it's what is called epigenetics. Epi means above, more than genetics. So, first of all, if you have baldness in your family, this is not, your fate is not sealed. Remember that. Make sure you are moving your body a lot. Exercise is crucial for keeping the lymph moving, keeping the blood moving, circulation. That's what we spoke about. It's very important for having good quality hair. And it's important in general for your general health, well-being, etc., etc. Guys, exercising, it's like taking a little bit of Ritalin and a little bit of Prozac together, but natural, okay? So make sure you're exercising. This is bonus point number 2. Number 1, I'm sorry, 2, 1, you know, I'm getting confused sometimes, actually pretty often. Another very important strategy, guys, is to take contrast showers. What is contrast showers? Contrast showers is a combination of the ice cold shower together with a warm shower. So what I suggest, the way I do it, I go into the shower, I take about, I would say, 30 seconds warm shower. I let the blood vessels open up, the circulation going, and then I would take about 60 seconds approximately ice cold shower. What that does, it basically opens and closes the vessels and help eliminate all these toxins. So these are the tips for healthy hair. There are many more I'm going to share with you. I'm going to do a separate video for that, but these are some very important basics. These are things that I'm doing myself and they really work. Now, this is not only amazing for your hair, but it's amazing for the rest of your body. Okay, so remember that. This is Mike Michele. I love you all. Please smash that button down. Love, like, subscribe. And I know you care about the environment and about our friends out there. Please share this video, okay? Thank you very much. Have an awesome day. This is Relentless Masculinity, where we take your success to infinity. Hey guys, it's me again, Mike Michele. Very important. I forgot to tell you really, if you have strategies and systems and technologies on how to make your hair better, please share in the comments below, because it's going to help our whole community. And we are here together. We're here for each other. I love you all. I love you crazy. Thank you so much for being with me in this beautiful journey called life. And please subscribe, because it really makes my mama happy. I'll talk to you soon.